So our flight today is gonna be from Paris to Addis. This is the seat, you guys. And then for this one here, you can kind of like set your privacy. Bye! Right now we're checking in. So after the first immigration and then the security, it was very simple, quick, but it was very simple, quick and easy. However, when you go through the security, they need you to take it's like a small liquid out from the bag, even though it's under 100 ml. So yeah, you need to take it out, and like most of the airport, you don't need to. Except that part, but it's okay because you already take out like the laptop and everything anyway. So we are now in the lounge. Oh, we are inside the lounge. So this is what they have in this lounge. Got some bread, butter, and some cold cut. And then you've got the tea, coffee here. So I'm gonna get my hot water. Good selection of tea, so I'm gonna have a little bit more of the green tea because that is my favorite. And then you got more bread, some cookie, got honey. This is strawberry jam, apricot, and then this water, it's not yummy. And then maybe this is they gonna serve soon for this. And then some fruit, apple, some alcohol here, and then you also can get your juice, apple juice. Ooh, tomato juice. I'm not gonna drink that. So this is the area of the lounge. I don't know what's the lounge name, but yeah. We are leaving now from the lounge and now heading to the gate. We are leaving now from the lounge and then heading to the gate. So this is the Paris Charles de Gaulle airport look like, everybody. Oh, they really have the PlayStation. Wow. This is the only airport that I can see they have offering the games for the kids. That's pretty cool, right? And the McDonald's. Huh? Macaron.
Passengers in business class are invited to board at any time. Please have your passport and your boarding passes ready for presentation at the gate. Ethiopian Airlines company.
We are boarding now. Back to Africa. That is our airplane. Woo, that's a big one. Welcome on board. Thank you. Welcome on board again. This time it's from Paris to Addis Ababa. So this is all the whole business class area. Do this. I said, how do we do this? So this is the seat, you guys. Normally he's supposed to do that. For me, thank you. You can kind of like adjust based on your want. So now I'm gonna turn it back. Okay, so this is our space for the leg rest, and then yeah, this is where you can just push and then get out here for the milk. No, not milk, the meal. And then right now they are playing the Ethiopian country video. So right here, this is the complimentary welcome pack. I'll show you guys in just a second what is inside. And then here, this one kind of like you can get like more privacy for this seat, because here you can just put your phone, and then this is definitely for using to control the screen here. You can just control the screen from here. It's pretty much like that. And then what is inside here, where you can charge your phone. Like I'm trying to charge, but right now since we are on board, there's no electricity yet. And here is the USB, but definitely you always charge here. It's faster. USB is super slow to charge. And then here, what I was mentioned about the privacy here. That's it. Okay. Thank you. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. We got the hot towel here. This is always the best. Did you got your hot towel? Yeah? Not yet. Now he got his welcome hot towel. And then that's the baggage, head baggage. I mean, it's only the business class that you can keep your big jacket with them. So then they can just kind of like keep over there. And yeah. And then for this one here, you can kind of like set your privacy. Bye. And then yes. And hello.
Good morning.
So this one is more so like something for privacy, like if I want to watch like the movie, so then I kind of like dress the friends up, so then he can enjoy more sleep. And then yeah, right now my phone is almost died the battery. Try to charging it, but not really. So this one, after you take off, it will be the electricity will be available. So and then this one is for your the light for reading. So this is the amenity bag. So this is the bag. So inside the bag, this is all the item: the blindfold, and then the pen, and then the comb, and this is a sock, and then this one is the toothbrush and toothpaste small in here, and then the lip balm, and then this one is for the ear plug. Yeah. So this is pretty much for inside the welcome pack. And then here they got us one blanket and then one pillow. If you want to request more, they can have and give you more, like 2 or 3 more if you want. But for now, I think I'm good with just one blanket and one pillow. Okay, got our both champagne.
Cheers.
Cheers. So our flight today is gonna be from Paris to Addis. How many hours? 7.5 hours. Okay, so this is the dinner menu or the food menu. So pretty much this is called Cloud9 menu. Basically this one from Addis Ababa to Paris, and we are now today Paris to Addis Ababa. So we got like a starter, soup, salad, main dish. So this is what you can choose from. And then for the option for the non-alcoholic, beverages, so pretty much juice, soft drink, and mojito. This one, all the drink that you don't add alcohol, coffee, tea, and this is more alcohol section. If you want any of them, you can select it, whatever you want. This is also another selection. Mostly I don't really drink it. And then this is their dessert wine. I like this one, but not so much often I drink that. And then what that is, oh, it's kind of like strong beverages. So yeah, this is a quick view on the Ethiopian Airline business class on this flight. This is what it is for the entertainment on board. So you got a lot of option here. All the Hollywood movie, the new one on the top, and then you got like classic Brazilian, Arabic, Asian, European, something like that. And then if you are turning back here, you got the audio. So audio here, you're more like listening to it, but the screen will be off like this, so you can sleep peacefully without any bright light disturbing you. And then playlist, this is more option, like you can see here. Taking off now. Oh, these ones come on. It's keep coming back. So they are starting to serve the meal just right after the takeoff, and today I am requesting them to serve everything in the same time. Everybody, so this one is our starter. So this is a part of starter, and we got like kind of like the salad, or hot cut, whatever you can call. But I put in the menu for you guys to see. And this is the salad, and then some garlic bread, whatever bread that you can choose from. Normally, after you finish the starter, and then they give you the main course, but today I want them to put everything together, give me everything together, so then I can starting to sleep after food. And then this is part of the dessert. They also have fruit, but I only want one dish today. Normally they give only one dish, but you can ask two as well. And here, yeah, so it's look pretty good, right? Yeah, so everything I asked for to come together, so we can have it, so then we can as soon as we finish, so that we can go to sleep. The garlic bread is the best. And then the red wine, please. This is another dessert that they offer after the normal dessert, and this is my, thank you, my movie of the night. I don't know this one, but this is look like super fun. Mostly I like to watch the anime. So yeah, they are offering, like you can see what they have, and with the red wine, this is like the last dessert, or whether you have coffee, but I don't think at night I'm gonna have coffee, so like that. Alright, you guys, so we are almost there now. Only around 30 more minutes. Actually, just 29 minutes. Yeah, I didn't sleep at all because I'm not sleepy, first of all. Second, I just like trying to edit some vlog video. Alright, you guys, so right now we are about to landing, so I want to show you guys the quick bathroom here. So this is the cologne and lotion to use on the business class toilet or lavatory, and the tissues like normal. The water just put like that, the waters come up, just put like that, the water will spray, and then the toilet as usual, and then this is the baby changing diaper. What else? I don't see they have like the toilet seat. Yeah, so it is pretty much stand up like that, and then you also can get the. I don't see any tissue either. Yeah, so yeah, pretty much like that. So I'm gonna do the refreshing before we are landing. We are arriving at Addis Ababa. Alright, you guys, so we are here in Addis Ababa airport. We arrived like 2 hours ago, and then we are now just left the Ethiopian Airline business class lounge, and then now walking to the gate to cut the final flight to Djibouti, and that will be our final flight. So I'm not gonna do the flight from here to Djibouti. Yeah, because it's just 1 hour flight and nothing to see much, honestly. So yeah, just would like to say goodbye now, and if you like any part of the video during the flight or anything, please let me know in the comment, because it will help us a lot. Or the why, please at least like, and yeah, subscribe if you want to. Otherwise, just keep watching to another episode of our travel vlog. And for now, you guys have a great day. Bye.